I feel like I'm constantly making roasted vegetables. It's that perfect side dish staple for weeknight dinners that allows you to fill your family with good for you ingredients. I'm gonna give you all the essential tips and techniques for making perfect roasted veggies every time. So beyond your veggies, there's really only 3 other ingredients you need: olive oil, salt, and pepper. And chances are you've already got those on hand. Those will lead to beautiful caramelization and yummy, yummy veggies. Next, we gotta talk about the heat. The heat is critical. If you're already roasting your vegetables at 350 or 375, you're probably steaming them rather than roasting them. Bump that temperature up to 425. That is my standard temperature for roasting all veggies. When it comes to knowing how long to roast your vegetables, that's gonna depend on what you're roasting. And you wanna roast the same types of vegetables together so they cook evenly. Let's talk about those harder vegetables. First, we got potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, even whole cloves of garlic. Those things are gonna take a little longer, anywhere from 20 to 45 minutes. And depending on the size as well, you'll wanna make sure they're all about the same size. Then you've got your softer veggies, things like zucchini, onions, or bell peppers, or even cruciferous veggies like broccoli and cauliflower. Those are gonna go a little shorter, more like 10 to 25 minutes. Same thing, you wanna make sure they're all about the same size so they cook evenly. And one thing that's really important is making sure they're evenly coated in oil. So whether you're drizzling olive oil or using something like an oil spritzer, which is my favorite, you wanna make sure they've got a nice even coating of olive oil, and then of course salt and pepper as well. And finally, once those roasted veggies emerge from the oven with their beautiful caramelized golden brown bits, I like to top them off with something light and bright. Whether that's a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a vinaigrette, a little bit of finishing salt, or maybe even some fresh herbs. Giving it the finishing touch is the perfect way to take that side dish from good to great.